Nora, where we going? Go buy a boat?
We're gonna go get a boat?
A boat. Boat. Say boat.
Boat.
Not socks. Boat. Where we going?
We're gonna go buy a boat. Woohoo! I got the cash.
Throw your things away tonight. We'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. Let's dance the night away. We're locked together, far away, you and me. We'll have a celebration to an unknown destination. Can't you see? I can see us breaking down.
Well, everyone, it is Wednesday now. It was Monday when we picked up the boat, and we finally got home around 1 a.m. and we are now headed out for the maiden voyage. So we're hoping this thing is gonna float. We think it will, but there's always a chance. So we are very excited and hope everything goes well. We're actually headed to a lake that is about an hour and a half away. We think it's gonna be a pretty good speed for our first time out. So we're headed over there and we will put this thing in the water.
With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away.
Look at all those sleeping pontoons.
Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me.
We are launched. Our captain is getting us out on the lake here. Motor started up. So far we don't think we're taking on water, so that's good. What do you think, babe? We're out on our boat.
We just gotta go a little slow. We have to go slow until we get past these two things. It says the water's 77.5.
Oh, it tells you that?
Yeah, temperature. Ooh, look right here. Come here, look. It's saying it has little fish icons on here, and it says fish.
Get your reel out there.
And it shows you where it's weeds, and then they're right here at the drop off.
Yeah. First cast off the new boat.
We're gonna probably float back end first because it's got all the weight, you know.
We got little girl set up over here with her water table. She's having a good time. You love the new boat?
You're my sweetheart. Feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart. Baby, close to you forever, never, darling. You're my sweetheart. I will stay just to feel your heart pumping next to mine. Do you feel that I'm your missing part? That you're finally right. You got me out of this feverish dream. You are holding my hand. I have no clue, don't know what it means, but I know you'll understand. 'Cause when you're away, there's a hole.
All right, well, we're all packed up. We are ready to head back in and try to put this thing back on the trailer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We had a great time getting this thing. We're gonna have fun times this summer on it and hopefully lots of summers to come. And I'm sure you're gonna see it in videos in the future. All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You're my sweetheart.